Hey everyone, welcome back to German Cars today. We have something really special lined up for you. You might think you've seen it all, but the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba is here to completely change your perspective on what a modern, classic van can be. If you're a fan of iconic designs, nostalgic vibes, and cutting-edge technology all rolled into one, then stick around, because you're about to see why this isn't just any van, it's a statement. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single detail, because once you see what's inside and under the hood, you're going to understand why this is a game changer in its class. Let's start with the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on the T1 Samba, it's impossible not to feel a sense of excitement. Volkswagen has done an amazing job blending that classic retro charm with a modern twist. The clean, flowing lines pay homage to the original Samba vans of the 60s, but every curve and contour has been refined for a contemporary look that feels both timeless and fresh. The iconic two-tone paint scheme is available in multiple color combinations, and the detailing around the headlights, grille, and bumpers is meticulously crafted. Those LED lights are sharp and futuristic, yet they still keep that vintage personality. One thing you'll immediately notice is how commanding it looks on the road. Even though it has the playful vibe of a classic, the stance is bold, giving it a confident, modern presence. Moving to the interior, Volkswagen has truly outdone themselves. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that feels both retro and incredibly modern at the same time. The cabin is airy, thanks to those panoramic windows and the clever use of light-colored materials that make it feel larger than it really is. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, wrapped in high-quality upholstery that combines style and durability. There's plenty of room for passengers, and even on long drives, you'll feel relaxed and connected to the road. The dashboard is a perfect blend of nostalgia and technology. You have the classic, simple layout that pays respect to the original design, but now it's packed with intuitive digital displays, touch controls, and smart connectivity features that make driving and navigating easier than ever. Every detail, from the steering wheel design to the chrome accents and ambient lighting, has been thoughtfully executed to give you a premium experience without losing that iconic Samba character. Performance is where the T1 Samba really surprises. Under the hood, you'll find a modern, efficient engine that's responsive and smooth, making it perfect for both city driving and longer highway journeys. The handling has been carefully tuned so that, despite its size, it feels agile and confident. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, giving you a ride that's both comfortable and controlled. Whether you're cruising through town or taking a scenic road trip, the T1 Samba delivers a driving experience that's surprisingly dynamic for a vehicle with such a nostalgic shape. And let's not forget about fuel efficiency. Volkswagen has made sure that even with its powerful performance, it remains economical and environmentally conscious, so you get the best of both worlds. Now, let's talk about the tech and features, because this is where the T1 Samba really stands out. From the crowd, you have a fully connected infotainment system, smartphone integration, voice commands, and advanced safety features that make every drive not just enjoyable, but safe. Parking is easier than ever with sensors and cameras, and the advanced driver assist systems help keep you relaxed and confident behind the wheel. You also get clever storage solutions that maximize space without cluttering the cabin, making it perfect for both daily use and weekend adventures. Volkswagen really thought of everything to make sure this van is practical, fun, and stylish at the same time. Finally, let's talk about price. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba sits at a competitive price point for what it offers, considering the design, technology, comfort, and performance. It's an investment that gives you so much more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle. Whether you're a collector, a fan of iconic vehicles, or someone who simply wants a van that turns heads wherever it goes, the T1 Samba delivers incredible value. So, to sum it up, the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba isn't just a van, it's a perfect fusion of history, design, and innovation. It has that classic charm that makes people stop and stare, but it's fully equipped for modern life, with comfort, technology, and performance that exceed expectations. Whether you're driving it, sitting inside, or just admiring it from the outside, this is a vehicle that creates experiences and memories, something every car enthusiast dreams about. If you've been on the fence about whether the T1 Samba is worth your attention, hopefully, by now you can see why it's something truly special. From its iconic exterior to the luxurious, tech-filled interior, from the smooth, confident ride to the smart features that make every trip easier, this van has it all. And for fans of Volkswagen and classic vehicles, this is a dream come true. Thank you so much for watching, And if you loved seeing the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba up close, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to German Cars for more detailed reviews of the latest and greatest cars hitting the roads. Trust me, there's a lot more coming your way, and you won't want to miss it.